Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to use the chat in Google Meet. In class, I often say, I've put the link in the chat for you. So what exactly does that mean? Here's a picture of what Google Meet looks like on my screen. So you know, down here is where you can mute or unmute yourself. Down here is where you can turn your camera on and off. The chat feature is over here. It looks like a speech or a thinking bubble. If you click this little button, this rectangle pops up. This is the chat, okay? So as the teacher, when I want everyone to have access to a link or to an activity, I put a message in here and send. Then it posts my message here. As a student, if you click right on this blue website, if you click right on it, it will bring you to the activity that I want you to do, okay? So let me go back one more time. So using this chat in the bottom, okay, opening this box is the chat, and then you should see messages from me about activities or what you need to do during class, okay? Also, if you want to send a message, you can type here and click send. Just remember that anything that you send in chat can be seen by the entire group on Google Meet, okay? So this is how to use the chat feature. Thanks, everyone.